I doubled my net profit in my bookkeeping practice with smarter pricing. Here's how you can too. The Bookkeeping Practice Blueprint Summit will teach you pricing frameworks that help you confidently raise your rates and boost your bottom line. This is a 3-day online event where you can attend from anywhere in the world. It's running August 27, 28, 29. Grab your free ticket or your VIP pass at thebookkeepingpracticeblueprint.com. Now, this is video 5 in a 10 video series, so feel free to catch up, especially on video 1, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos. Today's focus is learn how to price your services strategically to maximize profit without losing clients. You're going to hear from 15 plus expert speakers, including me, at the summit, sharing pricing strategies that work in real life. This is about you building confidence to raise your rates without fear or second guessing. I love helping bookkeepers with that. Discover systems that ensure your clients see your value and pay accordingly. It took me about 6 years to do this, but I did it. You can too. Whether you're just starting or scaling, these pricing strategies will transform your profitability. Now, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, so I really do hope that I see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.